How to change your profile emote in Roblox. So what you want to do is open up your web browser, type in Roblox, then from here go to your avatar, go to animations and emotes, and from here what you want to do is open up this GitHub link right here and copy this command right here. Once you've done that, you can click F12 to open up inspect element and then paste the command right here. And then you want to select an animation that you want. Let's say I want this one. I'm gonna right click it, open link in new tab, and the number from the link, what you want to do is copy that, and right here where it says emote asset ID, what you want to do is delete that 0 and paste in the number from the animation link. And now all you need to do is click enter, and from here it should work. Now what you want to do is close this, and as you can see, here's the emote right here on my profile picture. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.